Well, John McGhie is the Emergency Response Director for the Middle East, Asia, and Europe at the International Medical Corps. He joins us from Armenia's capital, Yerevan. Thanks so much for being with us. You know, it's good to see this recognition because health workers are always so important, but so often they are taken for granted. And they are what is preventing death rates in this global pandemic from being multiple times higher than they already are. So how difficult has this year been for you?
It has been challenging. In most international responses, these situations are. We were fortunate. We have developed rosters of volunteers over the years, and a large amount of those were deployed in our response. The difficulty that we experienced was that travelling around the world, trying to move people or goods and consumables around the world was exceptionally difficult. We focused on the US for a proponent, but we have also supported our country missions in 30 countries around the world in regards to PPE, augmenting staff levels to help and support their response in the respective countries in which they're based.
Right. You're not just, a health worker either. You're also a humanitarian worker. And in the last 5 years, we've seen humanitarian crises around the planet that we hadn't witnessed, for decades and decades. So you're fighting the pandemic as well as other humanitarian crises. I mean, is this really unprecedented in your experience?
I would like to say it was unusual, but not. If we take ourselves back to 2014 to 2016 in West Africa, we had Ebola. That still didn't stop the situations in the various countries that we're dealing with. There was various health issues, education conflict, difficulties in those environments. Within the DRC currently in regards to its Ebola response, they are still fighting in the north of the country. These are unfortunately issues that happen frequently around the world in the environments we work. As a simple situation of what we face on a day-to-day basis. This doesn't stop us from our mission, which is to help and support the people on the ground.
Okay. John McGhie, we'll leave it there, and we thank you really so much for everything you do and your colleagues do as well.